We are live. So this is an extreme coding session. We are going to code something from Dribble in under 10 minutes. So today it's something special. I created this Dribble shot for myself, McDonald's Tailwind CSS card, and we are going to code this under 10 minutes. I already created it and it also got picked by CodePen already, and it's on the first page of the CodePen. You can go and see. And now we are going to create it under 10 minutes. Let's start. I don't want to waste any times, so I'm just going to start by creating a new CodePen and just name it you stream on YouTube, and just go to the settings very fast and just go to the CSS section. Let's add a Tailwind CSS CDN, and now save and close. And now another thing that I want to show you is that this is the design. So first of all, this font is the Java. The font name is the Jawal. So I have opened it already in Google Fonts. I have selected the styles 400, 500, 700. This is the import link. I'm going to copy it from here to here, and I'm also going to make it the default font for the body. So its name is the Jawal, and the fallback is Arial. So we're going to start. Let's look at this font now. So this color is BG gray. So let's write some boilerplate code. So min h screen and then BG gray 300 and then width full. So it will take the whole width and it will give us this color. And now another thing that I want to do is to center the div. So let's make a container and then margin auto and then pxtain and then padding top 20 from the top. And then let's create this box. We have to create this box. Let's create this box and bg white for the background white, and width is full. Heading should be 48 rem. So this is 48 rem. Rounded large for rounded corners. See, this is rounded now, and shadow is medium. This is all Tailwind CSS. You can go to their official website to see what's up. So shadow medium, now we want it to be flex because we want the two columns side by side, one for the text and one for the isometric illustration. So let's create the two div multiply by 2 for the shortcut, and then in the second div we want the image. So I want to get the image, so let me just go to the my CodePen, and let's copy the image link. Another way, I want to give the credit to this website. It's a really great design website. I usually get the isometric illustration from there. So this is the illustration that I want to copy. So the copy image link, and let's copy the image link. So the image link is there, image should be there. So this is flex. Let's make it width of, and this should also be width half, and the image should be, as you know, this we got it here. So this should be with 64, the highest available width. So this is looking good. Let's make it like this. Yeah, and now I want to center it. So let's center it. So image is block in Tailwind CSS, so we have to center it by providing the margin 0 auto. So this is center right now. And now let's start by putting the text. So we have to put the McDonald's logo. So let's get the McDonald's logo. So this is the McDonald's logo. Copy image link, and now let's put the McDonald's logo. Class, and class should be with 8. Okay, so it should be with 16. Okay, so let's provide the padding. P5. Okay, and now I think with 12 is good. So let's put the H3, and in the H3 we would want to, let's copy the text from here because I don't want to waste any time. So let's just copy the text. I'm not copying the code, I'm copying the text. So class and then text 3XL or maybe 4XL, and font should be medium. Okay, font is medium. So and then a paragraph. So we want a small paragraph like this, and let's put the small paragraph. So this will flow down. Let's put the P4 here, and then this should be W8 as looking something like this. So W8 is looking good, and this is font bold as of my knowing. Okay, so font bold is looking good. This is all looking good. This is all looking good. So let's make it responsive now. We passed the 4-minute mark and now we have 6 minutes left. So let's make it responsive. So in the responsive section, we have to want the full width. So flex wrap and then make the medium, and then on the smaller screen, this should be full width. After the smaller screen, this should be half by half. So W full, and after the medium, this should be with half and half. So let's see how it's looking. So this is looking good. This is responsive enough. So the thing is that this height will not work. So after the medium, the height should be applied, and before the medium, the height should not be applied. So this is looking good. So the image should also get some padding in the smaller screens. So we want the padding of 4, and after the medium settings, we want the padding of 0. Okay, so this is looking good. This is looking good. So another thing is that when we are breaking down to the larger breakpoint, I don't want to break. I don't want to expand more. I just want to stay here while the screen is large or small. So the another thing, it's because of the container. Let's remove the container, and let's put the max width. So the max width that I got is something like this. Let me see again. Max W screen. So max W screen, max W, max width of the screen MD. So I would just want to stop at the MD section. So this is stopping at the MD section, as you can see. Okay, so we are almost done. Another thing that I did here in this code pen, that I was not liking the thing that it's coming down. So I made the image to come at the top. So this is flexbox, so we can do it exactly. So flex call reverse on the mobile section and flex call on the medium section. As you can see, we got the exactly like we did it there. So as you can see, it's completely responsive, and it's all with just 14 lines of code, and you remove the formatting and you will get just 10 lines of code with no CSS at all. So let's end the stream here because I want to have a very short video. So just go and follow me on Twitter, and I want to end this stream. Let's end this stream right now. So end the